Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Online Driving Lesson with FM Driving School. I'm assuming you're watching these video clips because you guys can't drive. If that's the case, you really need to fix up. I mean, think about it. A 5-year-old is driving on the roads. How can you not?
What?
No. You didn't mishear me. A 5-year-old.
What the fuck?
Check out this little bad man. His mom refused to buy him a $250,000 Lamborghini. So what did he do? He had $3 in his pocket, found his mom's car keys, and drove off. Can you believe a 5-year-old driving a car? Come on, guys. If a 5-year-old can drive a car, you guys can definitely pass your test. Anyway, he was returned back home safely.
He needs some milk.
Let's help you guys pass your driving test now. So let's have a look at this clip here. What signs can you see in front of you? Let me know. I'll give you a few more seconds. 3, 2, 1. This little roundabout sign up ahead. So we're turning right, so we're going to check our mirrors interior right. We're going to indicate right as soon as we pass the road on the right here. Indicate right. As you get closer, brake. Keep looking towards the right. Clutch goes down now. Go down to gear 2. Keep looking right. If it's clear, we go. The van really should have waited for us, but he thought that he could make it. As we get ourselves in, watch out for the car coming in the middle and the 20 sign, so move slightly to the left to give us both space. Quite a few things are happening there, but at this time the examiner may still ask you to pull over somewhere safe. Check our mirrors interior left, there's a gap here, indicate, pull yourself in, clutch goes down, carry on braking, and steer to make it straight. Once you stop, handbrake, neutral. We've paused it here to show you two things. One is, if you notice, we stopped in the box, so we're stopped behind this driveway on the left here, or in front. You can stop in front or behind. Do not block someone's driveway, especially if the examiner says find somewhere safe to stop, so he's giving you the opportunity. And number two is you always park on the left hand side. Okay, now he's going to ask you to move off. Clutch goes down, go to gear 1, biting point, then do your 6-point check. Do not forget the right blind spot check. And if it's clear, move off. As we're moving off, we're gathering our speed, going up to gear 2. Clutch goes down, go down to gear 2. Speed up a bit more. And now you could go to gear 3, but the examiner may ask you to turn left. So you check your mirrors interior left. Indicate left. Position yourself slightly more towards the curb. Check your mirrors one more time. And then turn in, staying in gear 2. Once you're in, check all your mirrors again. It's a clear road ahead of us. So now again, I'll gradually pick up my speed. Clutch goes down, go up to gear 3 now. Carry on driving, staying at 20 miles an hour road. Watching out for a bus up ahead. He may pull off. It's unlikely because you're slightly already in the middle. And it doesn't look like he's indicating anyway. Now the examiner's going to ask you to turn left. Check out mirrors interior left. Indicate. Brake. Clutch goes down. Go to gear 2. Look into the road. As you get in, keep looking to the road. Like there's a car coming, quickly move out the way. Extremely important that you looked into the road and noticed the car. Here I'll go back to gear 1. So as you're turning in, fairly narrow road, we couldn't see properly. Make sure you plan ahead. Notice any cars coming out. Don't forget to take it in gear 1. A lot of students, they forget what's happening because of so many things and they take it in gear 2 and stall the car. Here's another car in our path. We're just going to move out the way without stopping. And then as we get around him, we can build up our speed and go up to gear 2. We're not going to take it too fast purely because it's a narrow band. We can't really see what's happening. As we get around, we're looking for gaps on left and right side so we can figure out where we need to stop or where the car ahead may stop. We're turning right, we can see a van coming. We got a gap on our left. Again, we're just going to move out the way. He's moving as well, and we didn't stop. There was no need. We're going to turn right. We're going to check our mirrors, indicate. As we get closer, we're going to look into the road. So there's a car in front of us as well. We're turning right, look into the road. We're just going to move slightly out the way for him, and then we're going to turn in. Once we're in, making sure you look into the road thoroughly, and you'll see why in a bit. As we turn in, there's another van coming, so we're just going to wait at this point. So spot all these little things, a lot of things happening. tight situation, cars coming, gaps we have to look out for, cars in the middle of the road we have to look out for. Watch out for it, guys, and make sure you go back to 1 again as well here. As you stop, go back to 1. Don't take off in gear 2. That's the end of the video clip. Hopefully that was beneficial. Do subscribe to our other video clips to help you with your driving test or just your general driving as a whole. And if you're a 5-year-old thinking you're going to pass your driving test, maybe in Legoland. But in UK, minimum age is 17 and 16 if you're disabled.